We're going to look at using the think addition strategy as a subtraction strategy. This strategy is introduced in first grade. Now we're going to look at applying this strategy to larger numbers. We have 87 minus 28. When we're subtracting, we know we're trying to find the difference between our two numbers. Sometimes it's thought of as the distance. We're trying to find the distance between the two numbers. And so we're going to use the open number line as our recording method, as our written method for this strategy. And when we use the open number line for the think addition, we actually can go ahead and place both of our numbers in our problem on the number line because we're trying to find out the difference between our 28 and the 87. When we use the think addition strategy, a lot of times we also incorporate other strategies like the make 10 because now I'm at 28. I know I want to get to 87. I know if I add 2 to my 28, that will get me to the nice friendly number of 30 or 10. So I've made a 10. Now I'm trying to get to 87, so I'm at 30. And if I add 5 more 10s, 30 plus 50, now I'm at 80. And I just need to add that 7 more to get to my 87. So with that 28, I added 2 to get to 30, 50 to get to 80, and then 7 more to get to 87. To find our distance, or the difference between our numbers, 28 and 87, we add. 7 plus 50 is 57, plus 2 more is 59. So the distance between 87 and 28 is 59. We'll use the open number line to record our thinking. Now we're going to look at a larger number, a 3-digit minus a 2-digit. And we're still trying to find the difference, and we're going to use the think addition strategy for 136 minus 75. And this time I'm going to use the written method or the recording method of the arrow method. This is a way that children can record their thinking as they use their mental math to do this problem. We still know that we're going to start, because we're doing the think addition, with the 75. We do know that we're trying to get to 136, so students can still record both of those numbers on the paper. The arrow method sometimes is a little friendlier recording method for some students. So with 75, I'm going to draw my arrow to show I'm going to make a change to 75. And I'm going to do that by adding 5. And there we go. We're at a friendly 10. We've actually made a 10 as we're using the think addition strategy. Now I'm at 80. I know that if I add 20 more, add 2 more 10s, now I'm at 100. It's a nice friendly number. So I'm at 100, I'm trying to get to 136, and I know if I add 36 to 100, I will be at 136. So I've gone from 75 to 136 by adding 5 to get to 80, 20 to get to 100, and then 36 more to get to 136. Now I will take those numbers I added up. So I know that 36 plus 20 equals 56, and 56 plus 5 equals 61. So the difference between 75 and 136 is 61. Now we're going to look at this with even larger numbers using the think addition strategy for a 3-digit minus a 3-digit. And this time the recording method I'm going to use will be number sentences to record my mental math as I am using the think addition. We still know our target number of 821. We still know that is where we want to get to as we use the think addition. So I'm at 536, and I'm going to record a number sentence where I add 536 plus 4. That's going to get me to a 10. So again, we're using our make 10 strategy along with the think addition strategy. So now I'm at 540. 540 plus 60. Now I'm at 600. Now I'm trying to get to 821. So now I take my 600 and I can add 221. And there I go. I'm at my target of 821. Now we just take what we added up as we used our think addition to go from 536 to 821. Now add 221 plus 60 is 281 plus 4 more is 285. So I know the difference between 821 and 536 is 285.